Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Bite. I'm Selena Vidya, and the Crypto Bite is where we explore all things crypto, technology, business as it relates to crypto, and lifestyle. The one question that I get asked a lot that I want to talk about today is day trading versus swing trading versus holding and what all of that means. So I have a particular strategy. I would love to hear what yours is if you're currently investing. If you're not, I'll give you a breakdown of what I'm doing that I've found works for me. So with day trading, you are actively looking at the exchanges, you're trying to find chances for arbitrage, you're trying to find dips that you can buy in and highs that you can sell in. Day trading is always having your finger on the pulse. It's very engaged, very active. There's a lot of full-time day traders who do this. That's all they do. It's their sole source of income, and that's awesome. The pros of that is you can catch some of the dips and you can make profit and just continually move that out, right? So if you're tracking particular altcoins that tend to be volatile, you can easily pick up and sell it, and you can do that all day and just sweep tidy little profit up the top. The cons of this is you have to be watching. I have this iMac, two laptops right here that you can probably see, and usually if I am spending a day doing this, I'll have everything set up so I can see what's going on. I have my Telegram groups open so I can keep a finger on the pulse, and I'll be buying and selling. You just have to be connected all the time. If you have a job where you have to go in, day trading obviously is not going to work for you because you have to be able to see what's going on at all times. You don't want somebody to see you trading and they shut you down and tell you you can't do that during the day anymore. I'm in a great situation because I'm a consultant. I have a home office. I'm able to pop in and day trade as I see fit. The other option, which is what the majority of people I know do, is they're swing traders. They'll usually pick up certain coins and they'll just sit on it for short periods of time. It could be a week, it could be 2 weeks, but you're basically plotting the trends, buying them, holding them for a little bit, and then selling them for a profit. It's usually not as profitable as doing day trading because you are timing things a little bit differently. The pros of swing trading is you're able to take a break. I mean, you're not staring at your computer all day long, and it really depends on the lifestyle that you want. So with swing trading, you can pop in the morning, take a look at what your coins are doing, take a look at the exchanges, any of the news, and then go on about your day. Just keep an eye out for any major news that could affect any of the prices out there. Look for good entry points, look for good exit points, hold for a little bit, and then sell. The third thing that people tend to do, which a lot of people are doing with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin to an extent right now, is holding, long-term holding. You got in at a great price, you want to hold. You can deal with some of the fluctuations because it's not directly affecting your small original investment. It hasn't gotten low enough, and you're just sitting on it. So there's a lot of people who bought Bitcoin years ago who are just sitting on it because they don't want to touch it. They're just going to let it go with the market. Personally, for me, my lifestyle fluctuates a little bit. So I day trade when I get the chance. I'm not a full-time day trader. Day trade when I see an opportunity. I swing trade for the most part, and then I'm holding long-term for a couple of things. And that seems to work for me. As you're learning more about cryptocurrency, or if you're learning about traditional investing, you'll find what your strategy is. You'll find if you want to spend the time day trading, if you want to be a little bit off the pulse and you want to keep an eye on it, swing trade. And then if you just want to buy and hold, I know plenty of people who do that, know that that's money that they can do without, and they set it and they forget it. You know, one of the things that I do like to make sure is I take up my original investment if I can. So when I start to see profitability, I'll grab my original investment, I will take that out so that I'm using quote pure profit. And that just secures your original investment that you put in. It can make you feel a little bit more secure. You can also take different chances that you would if you're playing purely with profit rather than your original investment. And it also takes the weight off of you when you see some of the volatile fluctuations that the market may experience depending on many different factors. Just to recap, there's 3 different ways you can do this. You can mix and match all of them. You can day trade, which is all day, every day, or at least parts of the day. You're continually buying and selling. You're looking for opportunities for buying low, exiting high. If you're swing trading, you're a little bit less off the pulse. You're still keeping track of things, but you're holding for a week or two, and then you're letting it go maybe a little longer. And then if you're holding, you're purely buying at a low entry point. You're not trading it. You're not doing anything. Like I said before, I'm a mixture of all 3. I find that it works for me, but find what works for your lifestyle. If you like this video and you want to see more, click the like button, subscribe to this channel. I will have more content coming. You can keep up with the Crypto Bite on social channels. Not extremely active on there just because I prefer to put out videos and put out content that way, but follow us at the Crypto Bite on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You can find me, Selena Vidya, across the board, and I will see you on the next video.